Hey friends, I'm gonna do a song for you that I wrote a long time ago. This one's called King of the Rain. You ever want to learn about something that'll help ease the rain? Tired of getting nothing from nothing, stir it up but remaining the same. Given every man has his virtue, every man will run from shame. When the first grain of dirt hits my grave, well, don't you grieve, not for me. Live my life not worrying about tomorrow, setting my sights on the day. And I could sing my way out of the sorrow. They call me king of the rain. They call me king of the rain. Talk about your ruin defeated, world's in a state of dismay. But try one more time to reach out, or just say for today. Regret